Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of a real match. We go to settings. Here in this first page of settings we click. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of a real match. And you click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget